Hi and welcome to another video of Project Risk Management. We are covering each topic of risk management in a separate video so that you can watch it conveniently. Our topic of today's video is what is non-event risk. Alright, and we will understand what is variable risk and ambiguity risk. There are two videos already been released on the risk management. You can watch it. The link has been already given in description section. Let's get started. First, we have to understand what is non-event risk. See, there is event risk, right? So, whenever the accuracy of risk uncertainty estimated in earlier in the project, there is a still have high possibility of normal variation. So, at that point, this variable or ambiguity risk exists, which cause to have productivity high or low. Okay, that kind of risk is known as a non-event risk. We will understand it in more details in the next slide. So, non-event risk has two types. First, variability risk, and second is ambiguity risk. So, let's see what is the definition of variability risk is. Uncertainty exists about some characteristics of planned event or activity or decision. It means whatever event, activity or a decision is planned, there is uncertainty exists into that. Alright. Whatever planned event, activity or decision, there is uncertainty exists into that. It means that risk may occur due to inability to predict the future. There is inability to predict the future which will cause the risk. Let's understand it with some example. See, there are many machines are used in project for production and it might or might not get defects. So it's variable, all right, which will be resulted into productivity above or below target. Let's see the next examples. Unseasonal weather condition. Also weather is variable. It's not going to rain every day, right? Let's see the next example. Error found during testing are more or less than expected. Also its variable risk as it is unpredictable and no one know how much defect errors can be occurred. Alright. Now let's see the second type of non-event risk, that is ambiguity risk. Let's see the definition according to PM book. Uncertainty exists about what might happen in the future. There is uncertainty about the future. It means lack of understanding about the future. What is going to happen in the future? No one is know about that. Let's understand it with some example. Impossible to predict what is impossible to predict? The future, right? So let's suppose what kind of technology in the future are going to come. No one is know. If no one is know what type of technology going to come, how anyone can give the technical solution against of those uncertainty. All right, let's see the next. Future development in regulatory event. It means no one knows what law and regulation will be set by present government or in case new government come into form. Next example, inherent complexity in the project. See, every project is unique. Lots of different skills, manpowers, equipment, vendor, subcontractor are required on the project, are used on the project. Alright. So, complexity in the project could create ambiguous risk. So, these are some examples help us to know what is the ambiguity risk. These non-event risks are managed like variability risk are managed by using Monte Carlo analysis and ambiguity risk are managed by using prototyping or simulation. Okay, so we will cover it in the next video. All right. But for now, in this video, hope you got to understand variability and ambiguity risk. So, as I always request, please give your thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel. It means a lot for us and it motivates us to make more and more videos for our PMP aspirants. Thank you for watching and stay connected for more videos.